So, what will be the entry? Naisulat ko kaagad, kaya tatakpan ko muna. Our entry will be debit, retained earnings, and credit, cash dividends payable. So, nakasulat na dyan. Di na siya masyadong mahirap. Sorry mga pangatsusulat ko. So, yan. Bakit naka-credit yung cash dividends payable? Ay, first, bakit naka-debit ang retained earnings? Kasi diba ang normal balance naman ng retained earnings is credit. Pero dahil nga mababawasan siya dahil magbibigay tayo ng dividendo, so we will debit retained earnings. And then cash dividends payable. Cash dividends payable is a liability. From the word payable, ibig sabihin magbabayad tayo. Kaya mag-i-increase yung liability natin. On what amount? 214,000. Wait, bakit 214,000? Saan galing yun? The answer is, dito sa July 20 is pagbabasihan natin yung outstanding shares. Paano ba natin malalaman yung outstanding share? Yun ay pag-aadin natin yung issued share, ordinary share, preference shares. Deduct ang treasury share para makuha natin yung total amount ng outstanding share. So, bilangin na natin. Lalagyan ko ng tanda. Sabi diba, pag-aadin natin ang issued share, preference share, and ordinary share. So, meron ditong 10,000 issued share. So, 10,000 plus 15,000 issued share plus ordinary shares na 25,000. 50,000 na siya. Then, meron na naman ditong ordinary share na 20,000. Then, kaya meron ditong reacquire. So, ano ba pag sinabing reacquire? Yan yung treasury share natin, diba? Yung sinabi ko kanina, yung mga binayback natin. So, dahil reacquire siya, dahil treasury share siya, i-deduct natin siya. Minus 5,000 share is equals to 65,000 plus 12,000 and 20,000 sa ordinary share and preference share. 20,000. Then next, meron dito sa last na 10,000 ordinary share. So, 107,000 na. Then, hanggang dun lang po tayo sa July 15 kasi yung ating sinasagot na problem is July 20 lang. So, it means, ang bibilangan lang natin is yung entry before or yung previous. 107,000. Paano siya naging 214? Kung 107,000 naman pala yung yung total yung total. Kasi nga, sabi nga dito, declare ay 2 pesos per share. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa pala ito yung sagot. I-multiply pa pala natin siya sa 2 pesos. Kasi nga, bawat share daw ay may halagang 2 pesos sa ipamimigay na dividendo. So, multiply times 2. Taran! 214,000. And also, yun din yung ilalagay natin sa retained earnings. 214,000. So, tapos na ba tayo sa July 20? Yes, we're done. And then, next, August 1. Receive payments in full for half of the share subscriptions and partial payments on the rest of subscriptions. Total cash received was 4.5 million. So, sabi dito sa problem, receive payments in full for half. Naka-receive daw tayo ng kalahati or lagpas ng kalahati galing sa share subscription and partial payments on the rest of subscription. So, saan nga ba tayo may share subscription kanina? Balikan natin itong April 1. Diba sabi dito sa April 1, nakabenta daw tayo ng share subscription na may halagang 350 pesos per share, yung 20,000 ordinary share. So, ito yun. Balikan natin yung April 1. Meron tayong receivable na 7 million. Then, sabi dito, nagbayad daw ang subscriber or share subscription ng 4.5 million. So, naka-receive tayo ng cash. So, ano magiging entry natin dyan? We will debit cash. As written here, cash received. So, naka-receive daw tayo ng cash. Wow, sana all nakaka-receive ng cash. Magkano daw? 4.5 million. Sarap naman ito sa mata. Sana totoo. Then, ano pa? We will credit what? Subscription receivable. Bakit subscription receivable? Diba sinabi ko kanina meron tayong may gustong mag-subscribe sa atin, may gustong maging shareholder, kaya lang hindi pa siya bayad, kaya subscription receivable. Dahil nga nagbayad na siya ng 4.5 million na kalahati or lagpas ng kalahati ng kanyang payable sa atin, i-credit natin yung subscription receivable. On what amount? Same as cash, 4.5 million. 4.5 million pesos. There you go. Pero sabi dito, share subscription and partial payment receive payments in full for half of the share subscription and partial payments on the rest of the subscriptions. So may binayaran pa daw silang half bukod dun sa sa payment sa pagiging subscriber. So anong magiging entry natin? We will debit subscribe ordinary share. On what amount? Medyo palaisipan yun ah. So, para makuha natin yung amount, sabi daw kasi kalahati. Sabi kalahati daw partial payments of the rest of the subscription. Receive payments in full of half of the share subscription. So, ano nga ba yung kalahati ng share? Balikan natin yung problem. April 1. 20,000 ordinary shares. Pero sabi nga half. So, 20 divide 2 is equals to 10. So, 10,000 shares ang nabayaran this August 1. So, paano natin malalaman yung amount? As I said, because it is ordinary share, it will always be measured at par. So, 10,000 times 100 is equals to 1 million. So, that is the amount. And we will credit ordinary share. Kasi nababawasan na eh. And that is same 1 million. So that's the end of the August 1. Oh, it's not yet the end. Meron pa palang kadugtong yung August 1. Share certificates were issued for the subscriptions paid in full. So once you are fully paid, yung share certificates daw ay in-issue na dun sa subscribers na bayad na. So yun lang yun. I'll just add that. So let's now move to August 5. So dahil wala nang space, I need space, so we will use another sheet of paper. So August 5. Hindi natin ang tanda, 2020, August 5. Reissue 2,800 treasury shares at 285 pesos per share. Ano nga ba pag sinabi nating treasury share? Ito yung binayback mo. Paulit-ulit, sinabi ko na kanina. Ito yung binayback mo. Pag ang treasury share ay reissued, cash is debited for the amount received and treasury share is credited for the cost of the shares. So, balikan natin yung April 8. Boom! So, April 8, nag-acquire tayo ng 5,000 ordinary shares at 300 pesos per share. Diba gaya ng sabi ko sa, ano ba magiging entry natin? Diba sabi ko kanina? Cash is debited. And treasury share is credited. Treasury share. Yan. So, para natin makukuha yung amount. 2,800 treasury shares multiplied natin sa 300 per share. Bakit 300? Bakit hindi 285? Kasi nga binayback natin. So, the old amount we will be using. So, 2,800 times 300 pesos. Makukuha yung amount ng treasury share na ni-reissue. 2,800 times 300 pesos. Nakalagay sa April 8, 300 pesos. So, 2,800 times 300 pesos is equals to 840,000. Nalagay ko dito. 2,800 times 300 pesos. Yan. Then, what will be the amount of cash? That is 2,800 times 285 is equals to 798,000. Tama ba? Yes. 2,800 times 285 is equals to 798,000. Wait, hindi balance. Ba't kaya? Ano kaya ang kulang? Share premium again? Kasi sabi nga dito, reissue 2,800 treasury shares at 285 per share. Mas malaki yung treasury shares, so meron pang kulang na nasa debit side. Yun yung retained earnings. Sorry, medyo maliit yung sulat ko. Bakit? Kasi nga, di ba nag-buyback tayo? That's why we will debit retained earnings on what amount? 42,000 balancing figure. And that's all for August 5. Then, September 20, paid the cash dividends. Di ba nabasa naman natin dito sa isang problem na sa July 20 na nag-declare nga doon ng 2 pesos per share cash dividends payable on September 20. So, ito na yung September 20. Nagbayad na nga. So, ito yung date of payment. So, dahil nga nagbayad ka na, balikan natin yung entry natin noong July 20. We debit retained earnings and credit cash dividends payable. Dahil sabi dito September 20, nagbayad ka na, i-debit na natin ang cash dividends payable. And we will credit retained earnings.